adaptation financing and also climate finance for Africa, it's non-negotiable. We want world leaders to take this agenda very serious because our future as young people is at stake. We contribute less than 4% to the global greenhouse gas emission, but yet the worst impact of climate change is upon us here in Africa.
But there is no specific funding mechanism that addresses the irreversible impacts that people suffer, especially vulnerable regions, vulnerable populations like Africa, like Asia, like Latin America, and the Caribbean suffer from the impacts of climate change. Like recently this year, back home from Nigeria, where I come from, the flood that happened as a result of climate change claimed a lot of lives. Can Adaptation Fund pay for that? Can Adaptation Fund pay for the infrastructure destroyed or the farms that have been destroyed, means of livelihood of people that have been destroyed? It cannot pay for that.
No time anymore to keep coming to these COPs as an exercise where parties come in their private jets and are sponsored by Coca-Cola, etc. And we do a whole dance around an issue so critical and so urgent.